Honorable Masara.
Mr. Speaker, I'm seeing something very strange happening today. You must be respected. The members of UDA party are crossing just this way as if this is a street in SUGOI. This is parliament. You must go there. You respect the speaker and you come here. That is very wrong. Mr. Speaker, they just walk. You must respect the seat of the parliament.
Order.
If you are feeling, the heat of voting.
Take your seat. Order, honorable members. Honorable Masara, you don't have to prosecute your point of order laced with poison. You can raise a point of order is indeed out of order for any member to cross the aisle, but you don't have to be derogatory in any way. Proceed, Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Although, Honorable Speaker, SUGOI is a very important village in this country. Honorable Speaker, I beg to lay the following papers on the table of the House today, Thursday, 15th June 2023. 1. Report of the National Government Budget Implementation Review for the first 9 months of the financial year 2022-2023 from the Office of the Controller of Budget. 2. County Government Budget Implementation Review Report for the first 9 months of the financial year 2022-2023